This is the GABP alarm box. It is a waterproof box. A magnet sheet is mounted on the top of the cover. If we remove the magnet sheet, the switch under it will be bounced back to power on the box to send the alarm SMS. Okay, now we try to remove the magnet sheet. We can see, okay, the switch back, then powered on. This is the GSM net. After connected, it will start to flash slowly and then send the alarm SMS. Okay, already connected. The GSM net will start to flash to send the alarm. Of course, the alarm numbers is programmed into the device already. Okay, send the alarm SMS. Okay, we received the alarm SMS. If we put it back, the box will be totally powered off. Okay, powered off. There is 2 wires. If we short the wire, it will also power on the box and start to send an alarm SMS. Okay, we try to short it. Okay, we short it. You can see the box is already powered on. After connected, the LED will start to flash slowly. Okay, already collected. Okay, send the alarm SMS. Okay, we received again. Now, because the wire is opened, so the board is powered off again.